How about if you're over-aroused, if you're too fired up? Who thinks that, generally speaking, they're more under-aroused? Who thinks they're more over-aroused? They need to settle themselves down. Okay, so different personality types, and a lot of you who said, yeah, type A, they're the people who need to calm themselves down a little bit more. So for you guys, we've got a couple of strategies that you can do physically. Some sort of progressive relaxation. Now this is where you squeeze your muscles. So I want everyone to make a fist as tight as you can, tight as you can, tight as you can. This is bringing your awareness to tension. Now relax it, and notice the difference between contracted and relaxed. Squeeze your upper traps, tighten your neck, now relax it. It's drawing your attention to this difference. A lot of people don't realize that there is this difference there. It brings your mind to that. And then also breath control, just slowing down the breathing. If breathing too fast is a sign of hyperarousal, breathing slower is going to start to bring this down a little bit more. And then mental strategies. Any form of meditation, mindfulness, that sort of thing is going to start to calm the mind.